Hello guys, just wanna check if my YouTube is done. Yay, we completed. What we're gonna play today is I think I played this cat. So you need to vote for the voice. Cat translator simulator. Yeah, this should go. Okay. Hello, kitty. Hello, kitty. What's your name? My name is Flower Girl. I'm just kidding. My name is none of his game. Wait. What about Kawata? Yeah. Meow, 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 meow. I should said, hello guys, I am not a beast. Okay. Wait, it's wrong. It's wrong. Can we start? What's this? Oh. Oh, so cute, so cool. Can I use that? Let's try. Meow, meow. That means I love you. Wait. Cat Simulator is not really real, okay guys. This is just a fucking game. Thank you for watching Welcome to Cat. And of course, if you like me to do another video, another games, please vote. Or just write out a comment. And if you need to vote, you just need to put 1 if yes. And 2 if it's no. Just select the mouse and someone voted, but it's only 1. But thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget if you put it in comment in this video. Thank you.